If you are a photography studio owner, here's the honest truth from a CPA. There are times where you actually don't need us. My name is Travis Reynolds, I'm a CPA, and I help photography studio owners run more profitable studios. So one of the reasons why you probably don't need a CPA is if you have a very basic side hustle, meaning that you work in a single state, you don't have a lot of activity, and you have no employees. If that's the case, you most likely can get your taxes done on TurboTax relatively easy. If you are going to go down that route though, make sure you do have clean bookkeeping, because if you are missing expenses, you are overpaying in taxes. If you don't have a good bookkeeping system in place, it probably does make sense to connect with an accountant. Another question that gets asked a lot though is, if your business is not very profitable, do you still need a CPA? And the answer is, honestly, it depends. Do you work in multiple states? Do you have employees? Did you make large purchases? Did you drive a lot? There's a lot of deductions out there that you might be missing, and connecting with a CPA might be beneficial. But to go back to the first question, if you are running a successful photography studio that's actually quite larger, but is relatively simple, and you have a single state with no employees, and you have clean bookkeeping, you most likely won't need a CPA, and you can get your taxes done by yourself. So now you might be wondering, when should you connect with a CPA? And basically, if your business is consistently making over $100,000 in profit, you have employees, you might want to consider making the S corporation election. And if your business is an S corporation, you definitely want to work with a CPA. And if you're not familiar with what an S corporation election is, you probably definitely want to connect with a CPA. But basically, an S corporation election is just a tax election with the IRS that will legally allow you to pay less taxes. I hope you found this video helpful, and please consider following for more tips to help run a more successful photography studio.